Tonight we're making rice paper kebabs. You've probably seen tortilla kebabs all over, so we figured why not try rice paper instead? It's light, chewy, and goes well with so many fillings. Kebabs themselves go way back to the Middle East and Central Asia. This version keeps that same smoky, savory spirit, but wrapped in delicate rice paper for a crispy, chewy bite. In a large bowl, add 2 pounds of ground meat. Add in some minced garlic for that rich, aromatic base. Then toss in 1 diced bell pepper and 1 diced onion. These give sweetness, crunch, and help keep the filling juicy. Next, add 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro. Sprinkle in some pepper, then 1 tablespoon of sea salt to bring all the flavors together. If this is already making you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Now for the spices that really make this taste like a kebab. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. It's earthy and warm. Then 2 tablespoons of paprika for color and a gentle smokiness. Follow that with 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. These dried herbs round everything out with a nice savory backbone. Now get in there with your hands or a sturdy spoon and mix really well. You want all the meat, veggies, herbs, and spices to fuse together so every bite has the same flavor. Once it's well combined, set it aside. Let's build our rice paper kebabs. No need for parchment paper. We realized it just got in the way. Start by dipping a sheet of rice paper in hot water just until it softens. Then immediately lay it out flat on a cutting board or a plate. Don't over soak it, it'll keep softening as you work. Spread a thin, even layer of the meat mixture over the rice paper. Then wet another sheet of rice paper with hot water and place it right on top and layer on more meat. You're basically alternating rice paper filling, continuing to stack them up. We used 7 sheets of rice paper and 6 layers of meat. We probably could have gone for 1 more layer since we had extra meat left over. How many you use will depend on the size of your rice paper. Ours was about the size of a medium tortilla. Aim for a nice sturdy slab that will hold together when we cut and skewer it. It's time to shape the kebabs. Take a sharp knife and cut the stack into 4 to 5 vertical strips, depending on how thick you want your kebabs. Now turn each strip onto its side so you can see all those beautiful layers. Slide skewers through each section horizontally, right through the center to hold everything together. Then separate them by cutting in between each skewer. You should end up with about 5 to 6 individual kebabs. Again, depending on the size of your rice paper and how many strips you cut. Here's a close-up of the rice paper kebabs on a wrap. You can really see the layers of meat and the translucent rice paper wrapping everything together. Before they go into the oven, we're brushing on a simple garlic butter sauce for extra richness and shine. You could also go with a chili oil sauce if you want more heat and a punchier flavor. This step is totally optional though. The kebabs are already packed with spices and will still be really flavorful even without a sauce. Now pop the kebabs in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 minutes, or until they're cooked through. Air frying or grilling are some other great options. We had some extra filling, so we rolled a few spring rolls on the side. Nothing goes to waste here. The rice paper has crisp on the edges, and the inside is juicy and tender, and every bite tastes like a cross between a classic kebab and a crispy spring roll. Try this dish tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.